Hendrickson has been meeting the needs of vocational truck operators and fleets for over 80 years. In fact, almost 2/3 of all vocational trucks on the road today are riding on suspensions from Hendrickson. In recent years, as vocational fleets began requesting a lighter weight suspension that is superior riding and it's free, yet delivers uncompromised durability, stability, and traction, we responded with the HN series. The HN 402 is rated at 40,000 pounds. With a total installed weight of just 920 pounds, it is the lightest vocational suspension available for applications such as dump trucks, refuse trucks, mixers, and loggers. For 46,000-pound applications, we designed the rugged HN 462. While the overall design is almost identical to the HN 402, the HN 462 has been fortified to accommodate heavier payloads. The total weight is a mere 13 pounds heavier than the HN 402, making the HN 462 the lightest suspension in its class as well. The incredible weight savings delivered by the HN series is a result of advanced engineering and manufacturing processes. Finite element analysis allowed us to engineer the saddle by putting material only where it was needed. The lightweight equalizing beam is box form, which saves hundreds of pounds, yet has a much higher strength-to-weight ratio than other designs. Advanced robotic welding ensures precision and durability. Let's look at how weight savings can benefit what really counts, your bottom line. The significantly lighter HN 462 provides an estimated 380 pounds of extra load capacity compared to our industry-leading steel leaf spring suspension. When the HN series is combined with 3 of Hendrickson's Paralift Ultra series auxiliary axles, the results are remarkable. This lightweight combination provides an estimated 944 pounds of extra load capacity compared to standard steel leaf spring suspension and 3 Paralift lift axles. Your incremental payload revenue from a single dump truck can add up to $3,059 annually, based on $3 per ton and 48 trips per week in a 45-week season. What's more, the elimination of the center bushing can help extend your end bushing replacement cycle, resulting in maintenance cost savings of up to $500 per year. This means that the HN series, when combined with 3 Paralift Ultra lift axles, could help you realize an annual payoff of more than $3,500. Of course, your actual benefit may differ from this typical example, depending on your market and application. The heart of the HN series is the innovative VariRate spring system, consisting of 2 rubber bolster springs, a Hytrel auxiliary spring, and shock absorbers. It offers a smooth, comfortable ride that provides stability, enhanced equipment protection, and reduced driver fatigue. Here's how the VariRate spring system works. In the empty or lightly loaded condition, the diagonally mounted rubber bolster springs act in compression and shear to deliver outstanding ride quality. As the vehicle is loaded, the rubber bolster springs compress and gradually stiffen, maintaining stability while still providing a superior ride. When fully loaded, the Hytrel auxiliary spring engages to provide added stability. This is important in severe service conditions, especially when maneuvering while fully loaded. Standard heavy-duty shock absorbers eliminate axle hop and provide cushioning for additional riding comfort and equipment protection. The rebound control strap protects the bolster springs from severe rebound tension. Transverse rods are standard equipment, providing additional stability and improved handling during. One of the most attractive benefits of the HN's VariRate spring system is that lubrication is not required and the center bushings have been eliminated. This means that the HN series requires no preventive maintenance, leaving you with none of the repair time or costs associated with center bushing replacement or lubrication. Even end bushing maintenance is minimal with the Hendrickson bar pin beam end connection. This innovative design provides longer end bushing life and faster, easier maintenance. It is standard on all HN suspensions and replaces the through-bolt design end bushing. The bar pin beam end connection also provides axle alignment capability to maintain wheel tracking for increased tire life. In addition to these benefits, HN Series suspensions deliver 17 inches of diagonal articulation at the wheels when loaded and 10.5 inches when unloaded, well beyond most vehicle manufacturers' axle stop limitations. This provides excellent mobility and traction under the most punishing conditions. The HN Series is a product of more than 60 years of Hendrickson expertise in the design and manufacture of suspension systems and components. Extensive testing, both at the proving grounds and in the field with test fleets, ensure the HN's durability under real-world conditions. As truck dealers recognize the outstanding benefits of the HN Series, they are recommending them to operators and fleets. These dealers, owners, and operators voice their approval of HN suspensions.
The thing about the HN that I really like is the stability and the tightness of the truck. We also do a lot of tailgating where the bed may be in the air 3/4 of the way with the material toward the back end of the truck. And there again, I like the tightness and the stability that the HN gives me.
It's quite a significant savings. That's one of the best parts about it, because the drivers are all paid by the ton around here, and it's on the payload that they actually can haul, and it's definitely a difference.
We will probably universally use HN 402 in all of our bridge formula trucks, just because weight is at such a premium. And if you can incorporate a weight-saving suspension into something that rides great, I mean, it's hard to use anything else.
The weight factor is always something that you think about in speccing a truck out. With this HN suspension being as light as it is, a couple 100 pounds can make a difference. Maybe not per load, but over a course of time, it does add up.
Well, I'll tell you what, we found that it really is a lot better than the old suspension is. It handles the corners a lot better and gives it a lot more stability.
I was expecting to sacrifice some of my my ride for the stability, but it wasn't like that at all. I yet got the ride and the stability all in one, and to me the ride was just an added plus because the stability was what I was really after.
There is no maintenance on them. We've just been 100% satisfied.
The specs on the 94, I've had it 2 years now. It's got about 125,000 miles on it. As far as maintenance would go on the HN, there hasn't been any.
Maintenance, I haven't had any work done on it since I've had it on the truck.
Stability, durability, articulation, and lightweight.
You put 300 miles on the same road a day and you know it by heart. You know which one's better.
The bottom line is every year we're going to purchase new trucks, and we're going to order them with Hendrickson suspensions.
An HN suspension is a good investment when you need a suspension that is lightweight for increased payload, superior riding for driver comfort, and maintenance-free for lower operating costs. In addition, the HN Series delivers the durability, stability, and traction you expect from Hendrickson, the originators of the walking beam suspension. It all adds up to more productivity and greater profitability. Hendrickson also offers a complete line of auxiliary lift axles to help you comply with state and federal bridge laws. This includes our lightweight, low-maintenance Paralift steerable lift axles, along with the HLM and HLQ lift systems. For maximum payload capacity, try our all-new Paralift Ultra series. Paralift Ultra is the lightest steerable lift axle system in the industry, and its compact package space and tight turning radius make it the perfect complement to an HN suspension. As the largest independent manufacturer of suspensions, Hendrickson has a complete product offering for medium and heavy-duty trucks. A range of specific capacities and service capabilities is available, so you can select the performance characteristics needed for specific applications. If you're not specifying and using Hendrickson suspension systems, take advantage of suspension technology from the experts. No matter what performance characteristics you're looking for, we have a suspension that delivers today and for the road ahead.